Okay, today we are going to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart. We're going to talk about the human touch, emphasizing the importance of personal connection in the business world. So, in an era dominated by technological advancements and automated processes, it's easy for businesses to fall into the trap of relying solely on technology and templates to attract customers and secure appointments. Now, the human factor remains an indispensable element in the business world, no doubt. Building genuine connections, understanding individual needs, and fostering relationships are something that technology cannot replace, right? Relationships are aspects that cannot be replaced by algorithms or templates. So in this episode, we will explore the significance of the human touch in business and why the personal approach is essential for sustained success in today's market.
You're listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast, where our mission is to make you more money so you'll have less stress and more free time. It's all about mindset, attitude, and taking action. And your host, Wayne Weathersby, knows how to make that happen. He's negotiated and closed over $150 million in contracts while building businesses with proven success strategies that he wants to share with you. So if you're ready to make some real money, then let's get to it. Here's Coach Wayne.
All right, so we're going to break this down on why this is important. Understanding individual needs, that's number one on the list. Something that technology or a template can't do. One of the key aspects where technology often falls short is the understanding the nuanced and unique needs of an individual, a human being. So don't get me wrong, while algorithms can analyze data and provide generalized solutions, it's going to struggle to grasp the intricacies of the human preference, emotions, motivations. This is where human interaction becomes invaluable. Taking the time to engage with customers on a personal level allows businesses, salespeople, to tailor their offerings to specific needs. A customized approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also establishes a sense of trust and loyalty. By listening actively and responding empathetically, businesses can demonstrate their commitment to meeting the unique requirements of each customer. How does it work? Well, you build genuine relationships. Relationships form the backbone of any successful business. While technology can facilitate communication, it is the human touch that fosters genuine connections. Face-to-face interactions, personalized communication, and a sincere interest in the well-being of customers contribute to building a lasting relationship. Period. End of story. Clients are more likely to stay loyal to a business that values them as individuals rather than treating them as a mere data point. A friendly conversation, a handwritten note, or a personalized follow-up call can leave a lasting impression, creating positive association with your brand. Remember, people do business with people they know, like, and trust. And that brings me to trust and credibility. Trust is a currency that holds immense value in the business world. Now, while technology can enhance efficiency, it is the human factor that instills trust and credibility. Customers are more likely to trust a business when they can associate a human face with it. Personalized interactions provide an opportunity for businesses to showcase their values, integrity, and commitment to customer satisfaction. Trust is not built through automated emails or generic templates. It is nurtured through transparent communication, reliability, and genuine concern for the customer's well-being. That's why all of my businesses and all the people that are associated with my businesses, are trained and inundated with the fact that we communicate with our clientele if the power went out, if the internet went down, if TV went down, if radio went down. We can still communicate effectively with our clients. Why would you want to do that? Well, it makes you adaptable and it helps you with problem solving. The business landscape is dynamic and the challenges are inevitable. I hate when a program that I'm using goes down and I can't even get in touch with somebody to help me with it. Oh, well, our technology's down or our platform is down. Well, that's a terrible excuse. And it's really unfair to the customers. So while technology can streamline processes and the ability to adapt and solve complex problems often requires a human touch, human intuition, creativity, and the capacity to think outside the box are qualities that set your business apart in a competitive environment. So when faced with unique challenges, businesses that prioritize the human factor can approach problem solving and with flexibility and a genuine concern. Employees who are empowered to make decisions based on their understanding of individual situations can provide solutions that go way beyond the limitations of an automated system. So, I won't drag this out, but basically, while technology undoubtedly plays a crucial role in modern business, I totally get that. It is essential not to underestimate the importance of the human factor. Genuine connections, personalized interactions, and commitment to understanding individual needs contribute to building trust and credibility. What does that lead to? That leads to lasting relationships. So in a world where automation is on the rise, no doubt, businesses that prioritize the human touch will not only gain customers, but also create a lasting impact in the minds of their clientele. I hope you found this helpful. I appreciate it. Hey, do me a huge favor. Go to any platform, YouTube, Spotify, Apple, any of those platforms, and hit the like and subscribe button. We are on a trajectory that has absolutely been amazing. I would just love for you to take a moment, go find a platform. We're brand new on YouTube. That would be a great place to start, or anywhere that you listen to this podcast, and just hit the like and the subscribed whenever you listen to an episode. It's huge. I greatly appreciate it. You guys take care. Be safe. Go sell a bunch. Find somebody and say something nice to them.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.